Join me as we explore Segovia in Spain. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Nandito tayo ngayon sa train station. We are in the train station going to Segovia. So this is my third day in Spain. So come follow me and let's see what the city has to offer. Okay guys, so let's now go to Segovia and you can take a train ride or a bus ride to the city of Segovia. So we're now in Segovia. So it's an hour bus ride. Ayan. See Tor. We're going to what restaurant?
Jose Maria.
Jose Maria restaurant to try cochinillo. The small suckling pig. Parang mini lechon. Ganyan. So, tara, samahan niyo po kami. Jose Maria Restaurant in Segovia is a spacious restaurant with attractive dining rooms embellished in a mix of attractive Castilian-style decor and more contemporary-inspired spaces where you can taste the famous Segovian cochinilla. After lunch, let's go walk some more and see more of the city. Segovia is a historic city northwest of Madrid, in central Spain's Castile and Leon's region. Its century settlements have resulted in a rich architectural legacy, including medieval walls, Romanesque churches, a former royal palace, and a Gothic cathedral. Its iconic ancient Roman aqueduct has more than 160 arches, most in the original mortarless granite. and stands above the Azuquejo in the heart of the city. Oo nga, no? Yung ganun. Alcazar Castle, with its turreted towers that seem straight out of Disneyland. This castle makes a fairy tale impression. The fortress stands majestically above the city on a steep-sided rocky crag. The impenetrable location is a testament to the original military purpose of the fortress. Dating back to the 12th century, the Alcazar served as the royal residence of King Alfonso X in the 13th century. Palacio Real La Granja. This elegant palace lies 11 kilometers from Segovia in the little town of San Ildefonso, nestled in the Sierra de Guadarrama. The town is a popular weekend retreat for people of Madrid because of its gorgeous natural setting. In the early 18th century, Philip V chose San Ildefonso as the site for his palace. Built between 1721 and 1739, the palace beautifully imitates the Baroque style of the famous French palace. Today, the former royal apartments are open to the public. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of Segovia. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you again soon. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And see you in my next videos. Muchas gracias, mi amigos, mi amigas. Bye.